Hello my friend, this is your perfume freezing machine and now I will tell you how to use this machine. First, if you receive this machine, you should connect the factory power here. Open this panel and then you can see here we have L1, L2 and L3 wire for you to connect, and then also the neutral wire here. You should connect this wire. Also, you can see here is the compressor group. Also, you should connect to your air source. For this, here you should connect to your air source. And you can see here we equip you with MVP motor for the pedal. And this is the tank, the main tank for your materials. And we design half open lid and open this lid, and then you can see here we equip you the missing pedal, and also here you can see this is a condensate coil for you to cooling down the material. And this pipe is for you to circulation the material. You can see here. Here is the discharge pipe. You can drain your material or the water out here. And this is the pneumatic diaphragm pump. This pump is for you to circulation the material, also for you to filtrate the material here. Also, you can see here. This is the two-stage filter. You can see here. We equip you the pressure gauge, and then if you want to, and also we equip you with the filter. Here you can see. And if you want to equip it in this side, you should spin this and then pull this out, and then put the filter paper in here, and then equip it like here, like now, the original place. And then this is the frame filter, and we equip you this filter paper for you. And if you want to equip this, you can first loose here, loose this, and then here you have gap, and then you can put the filter paper in it, and then you can tighten it. Also, we equip you the pressure gauge here. You can see the pressure gauge. Okay, for the control panel, you can see here is the control panel. We equip you the compressor high pressure and the compressor low pressure. And this is the power switch and power indication, compressor switch, compressor indications, and the diaphragm pump switch, diaphragm pump indications, and missing switch, the missing indications. And this too is the compressor high pressure alarm and the compressor low pressure alarm. If it has lightning here, it means the compressor pressure is high or low, so you should pay attention to it. And then here is the emergency stop. If the machine go wrong, you can spin this emergency stop button to stop the machine. And this is the power switch for the main power. And now we can we can use the this machine right here. Turn on. Sorry, turn on the machine, and then turn on the power switch here. And here you can set the temperature you want first, like the freezing temperature. This is the actual temperature now, and you can set the temperature here, set, and then go down or go up. Now we can set the 10 degrees Celsius now and set. Later he will turn to the actual temperature. Okay, now we can test the mixing function. Like you can open this button, mixing button. Now it's on, and then you can go to the tank and see the mixing pedal is working. And then here, also you can change the speed you want. Like if you go right side, the mixing function, the mixing speed will go faster. Then if you go left side, the mixing speed will be more slower. You can see now the speed is slower. And if you go right side, the mixing speed is faster. Okay, you can turn off the mixing speed here. Turn off. You can see clearly. Off and on. You can see clearly. Now it's off, and then you can turn off the mixing speed. And if you want to use the diaphragm pump function, first you need to open this valve. Now it's open, and then open this valve. This valve is for this here, the pump. And if you open to this valve and then turn off other valve, you can circulation the material from here, go through the pump, and then the material will go through here, and then go through this pipe and then into the tank. So it can make a circulation. Now we can test. Open this valve and then open this valve. And then you can open the diaphragm pump switch. Now you can see the water is circulate the same as your material circulate. Okay, if you want to turn off this switch, you can turn off this button first. And then turn off the valve right here. Turn off the valve like this. Also, if you want to filtrate the material, you can open this valve first, and then open this valve. Now it's turn off. You can turn on this valve. Now it's turned off. Turn on this valve, and then turn on this valve for the material go back, and then turn on this valve for the material to go through the filter, the two-stage filter and frame filter. You can turn on this valve first, and then turn on this valve, and then turn on this valve. Turn on this free valve. The material will like here, go through here, and then go through the pump, and then go through to the two-stage filter here, and then go through here, and then go back to here. The material go back to here and go through, and then it will go through here and then here to go back to the tank. This is for you to circulate all from here to here. Go through here and then go back to here. This is for the circulation. Also, if you want to, if all the material is set, you can just let the material go through this pipe to discharge your material. If you want to use the discharge function, you should turn on this valve first. Turn off this valve and turn off this valve. Turn off this valve and turn on this valve. Let the material go through, and then turn on this valve. Let the material discharge. Also, we have the function of the compressor. You can turn on this compressor and let the material cooling down. Now we can test it, like open this switch. You have the delayed time, so you should wait for some minutes. Okay, you can see now the compressor is at the working stage. And then if you want to turn off this function, you can just turn off it, like here, compressor switch, turn off. And then if you want to turn off all the machines, you can turn off the power switch and then turn off the main power switch, like here. Okay, that's all. Thank you.